Hello, my prepper posse. I'm sure you could hear the rain. I'll show you. It's a perfect day to do my manager training. I'm about, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours in. Got a couple more hours to go online. But the rains, they're here, yay! Very exciting. I sent Nikki off. She's gone to go get our pump at the post office box. It's not pounding, but it's enough. A little passing storm. I'm in the back of the bus with the bathroom window open. So I've got this much more to go, and then I can take the test. It's a practice test, and then you get in touch with the proctor. So that's what I'm doing today. I'll let you know later on what's going on. Don't forget to play. See you!